Those actually the top two penny stocks is to buy right now and high potential for upside. And before we go to the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel where the trading Jesus always say no BS, no editing, straight to the information, raw information. So let's go and see what kind of stock and what's kind of prices we should look for in this week or the next week. And the first stock is actually, it's called TETRA Technology. Ticker symbol is TTI. And it's actually the first is oil and gas surface company, and specialized in oil and gas services actually. And what we can see here, as Warren Buffett predicted in Walsh Hathaway, he predicted that oil industry will plummeted in the beginning of this last year, and will gain momentum and go up again at the beginning of 2021. And that's what we saw actually. A lot of oil industry company, it went really like a lot of percentage up, like 200-300%. And this company actually one of them. And let's see the stocks, actually the chart and what we have here. As we see here, guys, we broke from our last resistance and above the $2. Always we got rejection before, and 2019 always we get rejection at this level, as we see here. But this time we got our confirmation for the price actually jumped, and we got the gap here. This is really good. When you have a gap and you have a really nice volume to support this gap, look with me, this big volume, we actually get our breakout. And this is a valid breakout, because when we break out, we got the candle actually close above, and the 4-hour candle actually. That's nice. That's why we got this up movement. And when we actually dropped a bit in February, we didn't actually go below our resistance level. This is really nice, and we got continuation up ahead. So now the key point to watch for, and if you want to get in, there is always a possibility, an opportunity to get in, to jump in, but never FOMO. As I told you guys, now the price that we should watch for, the price is actually at $4.39. It's actually have a high percentage that we go to 5, but there's a lot of selling pressure always happen before the 5, because the $5 is a psychological level. And I will take my profit here, and let's see if we actually get in this trade, and see, it's like 50% upside, and this is really good. So I will take my profit before the $5. And the other level that we should look for is at $6, guys. If we actually pass the $5 and we have a good bounce back at this level, and then we go back without even going down before the $4, there's a high percentage actually we go into $6, guys, 32 cents. I will take my profit here. If the price actually hold here and we bounce from it, I will buy again to actually take my profit at 632. This is really good. And the downside, guys, always have the downside, so you never actually be wishful thinking. I will watch out for this price just in case at this level. We need to protect our level here at $1. Above the $2 is better. If we don't go below the $2 is perfect. It means we're going even to test the $5 and maybe the $6, and will be a really good trade, because we have almost 300% our on money. And the other one, guys, is the ticker symbol is NAK, and the name is actually Northern Dynasty Mineral. They are actually specialized for exploration and development of gold and copper. And this is as well at the same category as the previous stock. That's why we actually see uptrend while all the tech industry going down. And as I told you guys, Warren Buffett actually predicted this, and he said all the oil and the mineral company will go up at the beginning of this year, and the bull run, I think, is not over yet. And for this stock, let's see the technical. And from what I see, guys, the best price, the value price that we actually, if we dipped again to buy at, is 0.43 cent. But at the moment, with the good news actually happening, I see the price will go test again the $1.03. And this is a really important level to watch out for. We need to bounce back from this level at last in order for us to go to $2, guys. This is a really good trade because this is almost 200%. This is 200%. There's a high potential we go to 200% and this year, guys. This is crazy. And the downside for it, if we actually go below the 0.43 cent. We already tested and we bounced from it. And we bounced from it from here with the really nice big candle to show us that this is really good value price, and we got the big jump here, and we got the consolidation until we got the resistance at $1. Now we hold at this level. This is really nice. We hold here. Now, guys, watch out for this level. I think this is the perfect entry for this stock. This is the perfect less. Look with me, guys. We need to protect this level. So let's calculate. Now, if you got in this trade, the downside is 22%, but the upside is 50% for the first resistance, and for the other resistance, if you want to ride this trade, let's calculate it. Excuse me. Okay, let's calculate this one. This is almost 300%, guys. So the downside is 2%, but the upside is almost 300%, guys. This is really good trade. And because if we go below this level, there's a high percentage we go to 0.43 cent or even lower at 33%. So I don't want to take this chance and just take my loss at 20% down. But the upside, guys, is at least 50% up or 300% up for the upside. So I think this is a really nice trade. I'm gonna take it, and I will see if I could ride this trade to actually 300%. And this is really nice because all the industry is going up now in this bull run, and you can protect yourself by taking stop loss below at 0.56 cent, just in case. But the if we actually go below this, it's mean we going even lower. So I don't want to hold that much. I could actually see a better trade. But in the trading, always, guys, show you never FOMO, never have emotion, never have bias. Always have a price in mind and see what the price value that the market give you, and just follow this. Never actually be emotional. And as I always said, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any question. I will be more than happy to answer you guys. And as the trading said, do price action and take an action. Whereas at my channel, no BS, no editing, straight to the point, straight to the information. So see you guys in the next video.